Hi guys, it's me Alicia. So, it's been a really good day. I got up and decided to wear makeup today. The last, I think, couple days I hadn't worn makeup. Maybe day, I don't know. Anyway, and I felt awkward. I felt really, really awkward. So, I'm really enjoying wearing makeup and stuff, and, yeah. So, um, it's been great. Like I said, I had a really, really good day, and let's see what happened. Just kind of hung around here, and then um, Mandy came over. She was in Portland, because her daughter was in a cheerleading competition. So after that today, she came by and we visited, and it was a great time. We had a great time. We laughed, we talked about makeup, and it was just really fun. And she she even tried to put eyeliner on my son. My son. It was too much. Yeah, it was hilarious. So, but no, we had a really, really good time. And, and then she had to go pick up her daughter, and, she had to leave. But we got to hang out for, I don't know, a couple hours, I think. But it was fun. It was really fun. I laughed my ass off, and we took photos, and yeah, she did. She took pictures, and her son was just being silly, and yeah, so it was great. I had a really good time. And then after that, I had dinner, and then we went to the grocery store. Well, we went to Walmart, and I got a couple things I wanted to show you. Um, First of all, let's see, I got a lipstick. Actually, it's called. It looks like this, and it's the Revlon Color Burst Lip Butter. So, and it is in the color Lollipop, and it's actually what I have on my lips right now, and I love it. And it looks like this, and I really do like it. And I love the tube. It's just really pretty, and I really like it. I was trying to find a more purpley color, and I'm really liking it. So I think the color turned out perfect. So this is a really good. It's cool because like you look through there and you can see the color. Anyway, I've really been getting into makeup lately and stuff, and I know this is like my weight loss channel, but I don't know. Um, Whatever. I like all kinds of stuff, so I guess it doesn't matter, but I've just really gotten into my makeup lately, and it makes me feel good, so, you know. And, okay, so then, I got this. It's called Maybelline New York Eye Studio. And this is in the color Navy Narcissist, and it's like it's like two colors. It's like half blue and half like this silver swirly kind of blue and a little dark like black in there. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks really pretty. It's blue. It is blue, and this other color, it has some silver in it, and I don't know if you can see that on my hand. Anyway, it's really pretty. I'm loving just playing with colors. I'm not afraid of using color. So then I got I got two of them. They are the color 20, or okay, wait. There's two. These are two different. This one is the Maybelline New York Color Tattoo Eye Studio. I guess they're 24-hour eyeshadows. And this one right here is in the color Bad to the Bone. And let me show you what it looks like. It looks like that. It's called Bad to the Bone. I really like that color. I have never used any, ooh, it's a really pretty brown goldish color. I really like it. I have never used any of the Color Tattoo eyeshadows, but I've heard a lot of people talk about them. So this one's Bad to the Bone, and this one is the 24-hour eyeshadow. It's in the color Inked in Pink, and this is a metal color, and I really like it. It looks like that, and it's like shimmery, and I really love it. I love pink. I'm just a pink kind of girl, I guess. But yeah, that's the makeup I got. And then while I was there, they had these. They were only $2.97, so I got me one. It's just a monkey, a sock monkey, and I thought it was adorable. And it's red, closest thing I could find to pink, but it does have a pink heart on the shirt. So I thought that was cute, and I love doing sock monkeys, so I just thought that was adorable. And yeah, so I got that. And then I wanted to show you guys what else I got today. I actually got it in the mail, and it is this. It's from Nature Box. I don't know. I had signed up for, there's different things where you can get free whatever. I think I got the first month free. I just wanted to try it out. I'm like, try out a month for free. And anyway, and it came with this card right here, and it tells you what you got, and it gives a recipe right here for Almond Joy popcorn, which is really cool. It's 5 cups of popcorn, a half a cup dark cocoa almonds, half a cup shredded coconut, and 3/4 cup white chocolate chips to make the Almond Joy popcorn. Anyway, let me tell you what I got. So first I got this right here, and it is called Blueberry Nom Noms. So they're like cookies. They are cookies, and basically it says, sink your teeth into these soft baked Nom Noms. They are almost like the cookie dough your mom wouldn't let you eat as a kid, but good for you. So these have no high fructose corn syrup, no partially hydrogenated oils, 0 trans fat, no artificial sweeteners, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors. And it's 90 calories. But yeah. And it says nutrition approved. So yeah, this is what they are. They're cookies. So that's the first one, and then there's like 5 packages in here. So this is the second one right here, and this is vanilla macaroon granola, and a half a cup has 260 calories. Obviously granola has a lot of calories, but it says beat the winter blues with a comforting breakfast of warm vanilla and tropical scented coconut. We love it with vanilla yogurt or even as a topping for baked pears. So this is just a granola, macaroon granola. I can't wait to try it. I love macaroons. I love vanilla. I love granola. So it has 260 calories, 10 grams of fat, 4 fibers, 13 sugars, and 5 grams of protein. So yeah, and this is I don't know what size this is. I'm not sure what size, but it's a pretty good size. So yeah. And then the next one is this right here, and it's called Nature's Bounty, and it says snack on our Nature's Bounty, a mix of organic nuts and berries to give your body the healthful energy boost it needs. So yeah, I'm not exactly sure. It has sunflower nuts, cranberries, apricots, raisins, soy nuts, almonds, apples, and walnuts. So there's a lot of different things in here. Looks really good. The next thing that was in here is these. They are called honeycomb sunflower kernels. And it says, when you think sunflower kernels, they're usually in a savory trail mix, but we love the surprising hint of sweetness that these kernels deliver. So they have some sweetness to them. And I guess, let's see, the nutrition, 1 ounce has 160 calories, 14 grams of fat, 2 fibers, 4 sugars, and 5 protein. And then there's these dark cocoa almonds, and I mean, they are what they say, dark chocolate. But 1 ounce has 150 calories, 11 grams of fat, 2 fibers, 10 sugars, and 4 grams of protein. So yeah, so you know, that's what I got, and it looks good. I think it's like $20 a month for this subscription. You get, you know, every month, but I just wanted to try it out. But I mean, I guess for, you know, these are less than $5 for each one. I don't know. I just wanted to try it out. I got to try it for free. I don't remember how, or whatever, but I did. And maybe I had a code. I can't really remember. But if you are interested in trying it, I have a 25% off code here. So if you use the code refer25, 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 then you get 25% off the first month. So if you're interested, check it out. I'll let you know how I like it when I open these, but it seems like a pretty good, you know, healthy options. I know some of them are high in calories, but yeah. So anyway, sorry this video went so long. I wanted to show you guys what I got today, and yeah, that's about it. I'm loving my lip butter, and I can't wait to try my eyeshadows, and I'm just loving makeup these days. Never wanted to wear it before because I just felt like uncomfortable. I never really wanted people to look at me, and now I'm feeling better about myself, and I just feel awesome, amazing. And you know, I want to thank you guys for all your support always. You guys are amazing, and you know, I know there are some people who are, I don't know how to say it, like, you know, after all my rant yesterday about some crazy person trying to get attention or whatever, you know, and stuff, and I just want people to know, don't ever let anybody determine what you do. And you know, I spent too long worrying about what people thought about me and how they judged me and stuff, and you know, now it's like people like me for who I am and not for some person I'm not. So just be yourself, and you know, people will like you and stuff. I mean, if you're truly, you know, believe me, I can be mean sometimes, and I don't try to be, But, you know, we all have our moments and stuff. But I just want people to know, just always be yourself, and it'll get you really far. So, anyway, I love you guys, and this video took way too long. So, I'll let you go now. Love you. Bye.